UGG slippers are some of the most comfortable and versatile shoes you'll wear. Their wool-lined interiors and breathable materials make them suitable for various uses. But how is this slipper made? Decker Brands, the parent company of UGG, outsources its production process to designated independent Asian manufacturers, primarily in China and Vietnam. Decker Brands follows different internal guidelines to determine how it will source its materials. It also has some proprietary materials it delivers to shoe production facilities. The materials and components are sourced from designated independent suppliers, often in advance in response to anticipated production. Sheepskin is a primary material used in the construction of UGG slippers. UGG sheepskin comes from premium-grade sheep raised primarily in Australia and New Zealand, where sheep farming has a long-standing tradition and robust industry standards. The sheepskin used in UGG products is a byproduct of the meat industry, meaning the material is sourced responsibly as part of an existing supply chain. Farmers in these regions adhere to strict animal welfare and land management practices, ensuring the sheep are treated humanely and the environment is preserved. The sheepskin undergoes a meticulous selection process, with only the highest quality pelts chosen for their softness, durability, and natural insulating properties, making them ideal for crafting the luxurious feel of UGG slippers. Other materials used in making UGG slippers include UGG plush, which is a proprietary material made from repurposed wool and tensile lyocell; sugarcane-derived EVA or ethylene vinyl acetate, sourced from Brazil. The material is used to make UGG soles. Leather is sourced from eco-friendly tanneries certified by the Leather Working Group. Decker Brands also sources reconstructed leather made from salvaged scraps. Tencel and Ecovero that are made from responsibly sourced wood. Organic cotton. Other materials used when making UGGs include rubber, virgin wool, and nylon webbing sourced from multiple sources. While Decker Brands outsources manufacturing, the designs and prototypes are developed in-house. The design process for UGG slippers begins with extensive research and development to blend style, comfort, and functionality. Designers at UGG analyze global market trends, customer feedback, and performance data from existing products to inspire new designs. Approximately 40% of design ideas are sourced directly from consumer input, ensuring that customer preferences drive innovation. Sketching and digital modeling tools are used to create detailed prototypes, which are then refined through collaborative sessions with materials experts and production teams. This iterative approach ensures each design balances aesthetics with practical features, such as temperature regulation and durability. Once initial prototypes are developed, they're tested for both form and function. Designers focus on critical features like the sheepskin's plush texture, the ergonomic contour of the insole, and the versatility of the outsole. Over 50 prototypes may be created during the design phase for a single slipper style, with only 10% advancing to the sampling stage. UGG reports that its designers allocate an average of 6 months per new slipper style to perfect the design before it moves to production. Developing the product specifications is Decker Brands' opportunity to control the quality and direction of production. The company's product development team breaks down each shoe design into separate components during this stage. They specify the appearance of each part, from the sole to the uppers, including the type of stitching, the thickness of the materials, and the types of materials to be used for each part. Product specifications will detail the dimensions of each component, the color range, and other details that inform production. Central to their appeal is the use of Grade A twin-face sheepskin, which boasts a plush, velvety texture and excellent temperature-regulating properties. These materials ensures that the slippers keep feet warm in cold weather and cool in hot climates, making them suitable for year-round use. Each sheepskin is carefully inspected for quality, with only about 10% meeting the rigorous standards set by UGG. The result is a product that not only feels premium, but also demonstrates exceptional longevity. The slippers feature a durable outsole crafted from Treadlite by UGG, a proprietary material known for its lightweight, flexible, and cushioning properties. This unique outsole improves traction and durability, making UGG slippers ideal for both indoor and occasional outdoor wear. Studies conducted by the brand indicate that Treadlite outsoles last up to 20% longer and provide 25% better traction compared to traditional EVA outsoles. Additionally, these slippers are designed with a reinforced toe and heel area to withstand daily use without compromising on comfort or style. UGG slippers also include a plush insole made of UGG Pure Wool, a proprietary material woven from natural wool fibers that offer exceptional softness and moisture-wicking capabilities. This feature ensures that the slippers remain odor-free and comfortable even with extended wear. The wool's density, measured at approximately 17 microns, makes it finer than traditional wool used in many footwear products. Available in various styles, from the classic scuffette to the versatile Tasman, UGG slippers are tailored to meet diverse consumer preferences while maintaining a high standard of craftsmanship and comfort. In addition to the technical details about the shoe, the product specifications include branding elements such as where to place the labels, brand information, and sizing guides. They also include patterns to guide the outer materials and shoe molds of different sizes to guide the creation of the sole. The complete product specification documents are shared with the production facilities so that samples can be made. Before UGG slippers are mass-produced, detailed samples are created to ensure the highest quality and design consistency. These samples serve as prototypes for the final product and undergo rigorous testing to meet UGG's premium standards. Typically, a production line will create 5 to 10 sample pairs for each new design, using the same materials and techniques that will be employed in full-scale manufacturing. Each sample undergoes detailed inspections for its fit, durability, and aesthetic appeal, ensuring that it aligns with consumer expectations and brand standards. Approximately 30% of initial samples are refined further to address minor design flaws or material inconsistencies, highlighting UGG's commitment to perfection. These sample slippers are subjected to a battery of tests, including stress tests on the outsole and shear tests on the stitching, to ensure the slippers can endure everyday wear and tear. Statistical analysis from UGG's quality control team shows that over 90% of tested samples pass durability standards on the first attempt, with outliers addressed through material adjustments. Additionally, testers evaluate comfort and thermal performance by simulating real-world usage conditions, with an average temperature regulation score of plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius, ensuring all slippers provide year-round comfort. This meticulous sampling process allows UGG to refine its designs and deliver a product that exceeds industry benchmarks. If the samples produced align with what the brand wants, the next process involves the mass production of the shoe. To streamline the pre-production process, UGG employs advanced digital modeling and simulation tools that allow designers and engineers to assess product feasibility before physical prototypes are created. This approach reduces the time spent on design iterations by 30%, accelerating the transition to full-scale production. Additionally, UGG integrates real-time feedback from suppliers and production teams into its planning process to optimize workflows. For instance, detailed material usage analyses help UGG achieve an average material utilization rate of 85%, significantly reducing waste compared to industry averages. Another critical component of pre-production is workforce training. UGG invests heavily in training factory workers to handle materials and machinery specific to its slippers, ensuring consistency and craftsmanship. According to internal data, this training improves production accuracy by 15%, reducing the likelihood of defects during manufacturing. Through meticulous preparation, rigorous testing, and an emphasis on sustainability, UGG's pre-production process lays a solid foundation for creating its iconic slippers. UGG slippers are assembled in independent factories in Asia. During assembly, these factories must adhere to the provided product specifications, UGG's quality control standards, and operation guidelines. It begins with the preparation of materials, where grade A twin-face sheepskin is cut into precise patterns using advanced laser cutting machines. This ensures minimal material waste and consistent sizing across all slipper styles. Research shows that UGG's precision cutting process reduces material waste by approximately 20% compared to traditional methods. The individual components, including the upper, insole, and outsole, are then hand-inspected for flaws to ensure only the best pieces proceed to the assembly stage. Once the materials are prepped, skilled artisans assemble the slippers by stitching the sheepskin upper to the Treadlite by UGG outsole. The stitching process is reinforced with a double-stitch method, which enhances durability and prevents unraveling even with extended use. A detailed analysis conducted by UGG revealed that slippers with this stitching method maintain structural integrity 30% longer than single-stitch alternatives. The insole, lined with moisture-wicking UGG pure wool, is carefully inserted and secured to provide both comfort and support. This step is performed with precision to ensure the slipper retains its signature plush feel and ergonomic fit. The final assembly stage involves shaping and finishing the slippers. Each pair is placed on custom molds that simulate the natural contours of a foot, ensuring an optimal fit. The slippers are then heat-treated to permanently set their shape and improve material bonding. Quality control is paramount at this stage, with each slipper inspected for stitching accuracy, material consistency, and overall appearance. UGG reports that over 95% of assembled slippers pass quality checks on the first inspection, reflecting the brand's commitment to excellence. After passing inspection, the slippers are packed and prepared for distribution, ready to deliver the luxurious comfort UGG is known for. The product specifications are key during the assembly process as they guide the shoe construction and quality control. They may include details such as the specific methods to use when attaching different parts of the slippers, where to place the label, and the product and branding information to include on the label. The packaging of UGG slippers is designed to reflect the brand's commitment to quality, sustainability, and customer satisfaction. Each pair of slippers is carefully wrapped in recyclable tissue paper to protect the delicate sheepskin during transit. The slippers are then placed in sturdy, eco-friendly cardboard boxes made from 80% post-consumer recycled materials. UGG prioritizes sustainability in its packaging, with a company report indicating a 25% reduction in packaging waste since implementing eco-conscious practices in 2020. The boxes are printed with soy-based inks, which are biodegradable and reduce environmental impact compared to traditional inks. Every detail, from the snug fit of the box to the use of minimalist designs, ensures the packaging is functional and visually appealing. Each package includes informational inserts detailing care instructions to help customers maintain their slippers' longevity and quality. Once packed, the slippers are labeled and sorted by region for distribution. Advanced logistics software optimizes the packaging process, reducing the time required to prepare each order by 15% compared to earlier methods. Bulk orders for retailers are shipped in larger, reinforced cartons, further minimizing material use. UGG also integrates RFID technology into its packaging, allowing real-time tracking and inventory management during the shipping process, which ensures accuracy and efficiency. After packaging, UGG slippers are distributed globally through a highly coordinated supply chain network. Distribution begins at regional warehouses strategically located to reduce transit times and carbon emissions. UGG reports that its optimized distribution model has reduced shipping-related carbon emissions by 18% over the last 5 years. From these hubs, slippers are shipped to retail stores, online customers, and wholesale partners using a mix of ground, air, and sea freight to balance cost and environmental impact. For online orders, UGG partners with eco-friendly couriers in many regions, offering customers the option to select carbon-neutral shipping at checkout. To ensure timely delivery, UGG employs predictive analytics to monitor inventory levels and shipping timelines, with 92% of orders arriving within the estimated delivery window. Retailers benefit from automated restocking systems, ensuring popular slipper styles are always available. Each shipment is tracked using a centralized system, allowing customers and partners to view real-time updates on their orders. This seamless distribution process ensures UGG slippers maintain their reputation for luxury, not just in product quality, but also in the overall customer experience. Since UGG outsources the production of UGG slippers, it has to set up various quality control mechanisms to ensure that its shoes are of good quality and meet its internal quality standards. Therefore, the company relies on these rigorous quality control metrics to ensure its products match consumer expectations. Quality control begins long before an UGG slipper is made. During the design phase, the designers must consider customer expectations, manufacturing technology, the best materials, the environment in which the shoe will be worn, desired features, and the sizes of the slippers. Quality control is also key during the raw material sourcing phase. Part of Decker Brands' quality control processes when sourcing raw materials include sourcing from ethical farms and suppliers, auditing independent suppliers regularly to ensure they meet the company's quality and sustainability standards, checking source materials for quality issues. Each independent manufacturer must incorporate quality control measures during assembly into their production processes. This happens in various ways. First, they ensure that all equipment used to produce UGG slippers has been programmed correctly. The factory uses computer and human labor to ensure accuracy during material cutting. The assembly process also happens under strict regulations and complies with UGG's product specifications and quality standards. Since the assembly process significantly impacts the quality of the product, most factories divide the tasks into smaller procedures, ensuring each worker is responsible for one task. This task designation allows the worker to master their task while preventing mistakes that could arise from handling different tasks in a fast-paced environment. Other quality control checks include ensuring each shoe pair is matched correctly based on size, color, and model, the shoe sizes are packaged correctly, the edges of all shoes are neat and trimmed properly, all shoes are stitched and glued correctly. Since UGG works with contractual manufacturers, they can easily change manufacturers when quality issues persist in production. Although UGG slipper production happens in independent manufacturing facilities, UGG maintains control over the production process by providing its manufacturers with operational standards, quality guidelines, and product specifications. What do you think about their production process? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next one.